Hello, I'm Jeff Frank, Product Manager for Arcadia. Today we're going to take a look at our newest floor plan and our first bunkhouse fifth wheel, the Arcadia 3370BH. The 3370BH is an open concept floor plan that provides comfortable livability for the entire family. As we take a walk through the 3370BH, you will notice unique differences not typically found in our competitors' versions of this floor plan. As you already know, the Arcadia brand is loaded with groundbreaking innovations implemented to improve customer satisfaction. Arcadia's industry-leading innovations are front and center yet again in this 3370BH. We're excited about this new floor plan and hope that you are too.